День 9 на Гавайях. Едем кататься на каяках. Папа с утра придумал нам занятия на сегодня. Будем копаться в холодной воде речной. О, бананы. Цветочек такой. И вот маленькие бананы. Каячная станция. Как это будет? У нас будут грузить два вот этих каяка на крышу. И что теперь? Теперь надо вовнутрь идти или нет?
Ну да, наверное, вовнутрь инструктаж будет проводить.
Ага. Остров. $14 аренда.
Past this first stoplight, which is right in front of us here, you guys are going to continue on down the road and turn right at the second stoplight, okay? After you turn right, it's going to be your third left. That is what you guys scanned here. That leads you down into Wailua State Park. Please do not unload on the ramp. You guys are going to just unload your kayaks. They have wheels on them, so you can just roll them over to the ramp when you are ready. So set up in the parking lot, roll them over to the ramp. When you guys get in the water, you want to stay to the very far right-hand side of the river at all times. You guys are going to be hugging those bushes, okay? The rest of the river is reserved for boats or anything with a motor. It is a 2-mile paddle, and it's going to take you guys about 45 minutes to an hour and a half. Just depends on how fast you guys paddle. On the way in, you will have a tailwind. On the way out, it's a headwind. We'll get to that in a little bit, okay? Getting over to our fork in the river, you're going to take that right-hand turn. You're going to be looking for a gravel beach. That's where you guys are pulling up your kayaks at. You guys all have multiple kayaks. Please make sure you park right next to each other. You're going to be pulling them up. Just leave a little bit room between your kayak and the bushes for people to walk past, okay? And then grab all of your gear and walk over to the signs that you will see. This is where your trail starts, okay? You're gonna be walking in, and I'm gonna mentally prepare you guys. Everybody's got shoes, okay? You will be walking through some mud. There's a good chance, because it rained a lot in the last couple of days, there's a good chance you're gonna be walking through knee-deep mud, okay? Low and flat is where you guys want to walk. You're going to be crossing this river up ahead. That river is going to be about knee to waist height in water. Okay, once you guys get to the other side of that river, that is a good place. If you have bud spray and you want to put that on, it's a good place to do that, okay? Please don't do it on the actual trail because it's really tight. You're kind of standing in the way and you're spraying up people as they walk past. So we want to do it right on that little rock pile once you cross the river. Keep your shoes on when you're crossing. Now after that, it is a 1 mile hike into the waterfall from that crossing. Okay, 1 mile. And that should be about half an hour to an hour. And most of it is boardwalk, but there is still some muddy areas. Getting over to the waterfall. Secret Falls is 120 feet high. Please remember that when you guys get over there and try to get in the water. Don't go directly underneath the waterfall because it's coming down from 120 feet. It's gonna hurt. Keep your shoes on, lots of rocks. You're gonna bang up your feet a little bit. And then it's only about 4 to 5 feet going into it, okay? Have lunch, go for a swim, take pictures, all that fun stuff happens here. You're gonna do everything in reverse if you have the extra time and the extra energy. When you guys get back from to here, you can go to the Fern Grotto on a swimming hole. Fern Grotto is an open exposed cave. It's just like a giant wall with a lot of ferns on it. It's nice. And then there's also a swimming hole with a ledge, a 15-foot ledge, so you can jump off into about 20 feet of water. So if you guys do go to the swimming hole, it is not marked. So as you paddle past the Fern Grotto, it's going to get really narrow, and then it'll open up and make a big half circle on your left-hand side. That half circle area right there is the swimming hole. You'll be parking right on the water, kind of across where it's nice and shallow, and then you just hook up your kayak to something. On the way back, stay on the exact same side of the river that you came in on. Now that you're facing the opposite direction, it's going to be your left-hand side. So the exact same side that you came in on. And then, like I said earlier about that headwind, you want to give yourself some extra time, about 20 to 30 extra minutes. It's going to be a little bit of a rough time on the way back, okay? That headwind can get to you because you're already kind of tired. Good? Okay. All right. Bigger, stronger, more experienced person sits in the back. Bigger, stronger, more experienced person sits in the back. Smarter, better looking person sits in the front.
And you can't shoot places at once.
That's why I say you did it. And then, yeah, so you don't have to wear your guys' life jackets as long as you are older than 12. Everyone older than 12. I don't know if he is or not, but everyone under 12 has to wear your life jackets. Okay, guys? Other than that, I am going to give you some life jackets. You just need to keep them on your kayaks and visible at all times. Cool. Let's get these leaves ready. Oh, okay. Good. And also, while you guys are on the water,
You want to go to the swimming pool to jump from that thing? I saw you sparks in the eyes. Like, you think you can jump from it? Like, right?
Probably not gonna jump. I could barely jump.
В общем, я уже обратно приплыла. Не стала снимать в воде, просто чтобы еще не перевернуться и не потерять телефон, не утопить. Да, конечно, вот эта гребля, это не мой самый любимый активити. Ты сейчас еще вот эту вот тянуть к машине. Какой-то триф-стор находится тут рядом с каяками. Без понятия, что это. Тут продают все бэушное, все юзанное. Короче, это секонд-хенд. Вешалка такая стоит $50. Без понятия, сколько это стоит.
Окей. Пальчик держи зверху, добре?
So it's about knee deep, I guess.
Давай, я перейду на ту сторону, а тоді познімаю тебе. Перейшли. Далі в ліси тропічні. Клади там десь бутилку, да.
Эй, привет! Ну как вам?
Нормально. Поможешь нам быстренько?
Что вам помочь? Надо туда заезжать.
Надо туда заехать.
Вот они нанимают на работу. Приехали опять в эту аптеку за 17,25 в час. Угу. Где там папа идет? Направляюсь к пляжу. Наконец мы вернулись с этих каяков. Ехали через аптеку. Сегодня тучи, тучи. Такие крупные птицы. Черепаха. Одна, вторая, третья отдыхает. Опять черепах. Пока. Вчера было 30. Что солнце будет скоро заходить. Вода спала, получается, отлив. И вот камни оголились там, где они постоянно, получается, в воде. Так прикольно. Зеленые камешки. Вот потеряшка забралась. Чуть-чуть в сторону. Заплыла. Такая большая. Спит. Солнце почти дотрагивается до моря уже, до океана. Все, спряталась.
Главный на гриле. Эгей. Тут фонарик, шеф-повар і гриль. Що у нас тут? Хо-хо-хо-хо! Риба.
Где на углу даже стало.
Ага. Цей бюштекс. Гриль, м'ясо гриль. Перці, помідор і эти жулики. Брокколі. Вот так вот ми тут грилюємо.